Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Good morning, guys. I look really tired. By the way, I didn't start the vlog in the house because we were just rushing to go here. I'm here at the Prince George Community College in Largo because my husband is taking a test. It's a part of his like job, like IT, like some computer test, and I'm the one who's driving because he's still studying while I was like on the way here. It was like an hour drive, I think, on the way here from our house. But before, when we used to live in Upper Marlboro, it's kind of like just like 15 minutes away. But anyway, it's really hot and I'm so exhausted from yesterday because, as you guys can tell, I got a flat tire. I didn't expect this because I thought my day was really good yesterday because we went to mall, we went to eat and stuff like that, and mind you, my car is like literally parked in my friend's house like the whole time. We didn't use it, we used her car. And it's kind of like my fault because I'm supposed to change the tire from last year and I just forgot about it, like totally. Don't at me. And now I have to deal with this. But anyway, I called my insurance and, you know, I handled the situation because we don't need a man. I'm just kidding. But yeah, the USA came and they changed the tire. Thank God. It was so funny because my best friend Crystal, thank God, I was like literally drop off her the purpose of me going in her house because I have to drop off her Christmas, not a Christmas gift, but like birthday gift, and then just go home because, you know, I had a like long day yesterday morning, and then I got a flat tire out of nowhere. Because it says in my dashboard, oh, air, needs some air. So I went over there in her house because she told me that, you know, she can put air on my tire. And then when I check it, when we pulled over like in her house back, because we made a U-turn, my whole tire was just like, I don't know, like, I'm gonna put a picture here, I'm gonna insert a picture here. That's like how my tire looked like. So yeah, that's how my night was and that's how it ended. And once, okay, I'm gonna tell you like a funny story because I don't know what donut is, because she asked me, do you have a donut in your trunk? And I look at her confused. I'm just like, I don't have a donut, I didn't order donut. And she was like, no, like a spare tire donut. I'm just like, I'm like, no, I don't know. Plus I have no idea that that's how they call it, donut spare. So yeah, that was my day. But I'm gonna do a unboxing on my Louis Vuitton that I purchased yesterday. I'm really excited because this has been on my wish list, on like my birthday wish list, and it's kind of like a reward for myself because I've been working so hard. And I don't know, like for me, like I really don't want to buy like expensive brand name, but like, you know, it's just like it's gonna be for me. And I just kind of like pep talk myself. I'm just like, I just keep talking to myself and I answer my own questions. But anyways, I'm gonna do a whole unboxing with that one, and that was really unexpected because I want the mini poche. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I will show you the picture. Okay, this one right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but that one, it's kind of like a mini, it's really small. And I want this because like for everyday like essentials, everyday essentials. But yeah, that was just like a summary on what happened last night. Anyway, for later on, after he's done in his exam, I think we're gonna go back, you know, all the way. I'm gonna drive all the way back home because I need to go to Mr. Tire Plus, Mr. Tire or like Walmart, to get two new tires and put the donut back in my trunk, so I have like, you know, extra tire because I have to work tomorrow and I can't be driving while I have a donut tire because that's like dangerous. because I can only go for like 30 miles per hour with that tire. But yeah, I will update you guys later on, because I think he told me I have to wait for like 2 hours, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm like here in the school, like college, and there's so many people and it's hot. It's like 75 degrees here, so I'm gonna look for some stores near here. If not, I'll check on you guys later. Guys, I didn't vlog inside Ross, so I decided to just stroll around. I didn't vlog inside hold up. I didn't vlog inside Ross because oh my god, there's so many people, and I try to like turn on the camera. I'm just like, never mind, because like I don't know, there's so many people and it's packed. I got 3 shirts. I will just show it to you here. I actually saw this similar top at H&M yesterday, and they were like $29, and I'm just like, for a top, and then like the quality is like the material of the top at H&M, it's very thin, kind of like this one. I don't know, you're gonna probably see that on the vlog because it's kind of like this one right here. I'm trying to do a haul, but there's like people like passing. But yeah, it's just a top, leafy top, and then I also got a plain white top that is small, and I like it because it has this like square thing, like square. It's just a white top here, there. And then this one right here, the green one, is $13, which is better than the $29, almost $30 top, and just like similar like this. So it's very flowy, I like it. And last one is this kind of like, I don't know, it has like Brooklyn print. They don't have a black one, they only have this color, and it's really great for like summer, spring, something like that. And it's $7, $6.99. So that's that at Ross. And I'm gonna try to go to Target because Target is in the other side, somewhere there. So anyway, and this Ross right there, right there.
A few inches later.
Guys, this is the Center for Advanced Technology. My husband is still there. I don't know what time is it, but it's 2:43, and I'm just sitting here waiting because it's way too hot in the car. So that's like the college right there.
Day 4.
I'm gonna wash my car since it's very nice outside. It is 5:20. I believe it's like 86 degrees, so I'm gonna wash my car and my husband's car. And right here is my car right there, and my husband's car is right there. So yeah. Oh, here is a brand new wheel. I'm gonna insert like a photo of like the old one right here, but yeah, this is brand new, and I have a lifetime warranty. The two runner here is new. So yeah, that's that. And I'm about to wash my car. I got a bucket right here and some, let's see, where's the soap? Hold up. Yeah, I have a bucket full of just car stuff here. And here is the what is this? Okay, this is the soap that I will be using, and I got this thing right here. Okay, they're fixing some other cars too, so that's that. Just have to put water in it.